In this video, I'll be showing you how to manage members in Napkin AI Teamspace. Let's get started. I'll begin by navigating to the top right corner and clicking my profile icon. From the list of options, I'm going to select Teamspace to open up my workspace management settings. Once the panel pops up, I'll click on the Members tab located at the top. Here, I can invite new members by typing their email address into the text field and clicking the Invite button. I also have the option to switch to the Invite with Link tab if I want to manage access via a shareable link. Next, I'll click on the Invitations tab to check for any pending invites that haven't been accepted yet. Now, moving back to the active members list, I can see everyone currently in the Teamspace. To change a member's permissions, I'll click the drop-down menu next to their current role. I'm going to update this member to an admin, and you can see the confirmation message appear at the top once the change is applied. I can also switch them back to a regular member role just as easily. Finally, if I need to remove someone from the team entirely, I'll click the drop-down menu again and select the Remove option. A confirmation window will appear to make sure I want to proceed, and once I click the button to confirm, they are removed from the Teamspace. And there you have it. That's the complete process of managing members in Napkin AI Teamspace.